Hello, my name is Luke Gorman, and this is my presentation about 5G in Egypt. What is 5G? 5G is based off of OFDM, which is orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. It's pretty confusing. I don't really know what that is, but to put it shortly, it's a method of delivering a signal across multiple channels to reduce interference, which basically means lowers latency and improved communication times. And a study by Qualcomm revealed that 5G could support up to 22.8 million jobs in the near future. So that's pretty interesting. Who is using 5G? Everyday technology users, such as yourself. If you have a phone that is capable of receiving 5G signals, you can take advantage of 5G where there are 5G towers. Governments also use 5G in order to communicate amongst divisions of the government. Let's say NASA probably uses 5G to communicate with different departments more quicker and relay information to each other, such as formulas and findings about maybe space or certain calculations they need to know. And then businesses can use 5G to communicate more efficiently and send information to each other faster and to their customers faster. Where are they using 5G? Out of 195 countries around the world, there are around 70 that have access and use 5G technology. In Egypt, they do not yet use 5G because it's hasn't been completely approved, and there's some issues developing the towers needed. But they have been studying its implementation into government communication and everyday uses by citizens. And eventually, they will have 5G. They are working on it. The Egyptian government, like I said, is working with the four main cellular companies in Egypt to implement 5G and utilize its uses. So here's a SWOT analysis that I did on Orange Egypt, which is a cellular telecommunications company in Egypt. Their strength, they are leading in market position. They're probably number one out of the four main telecommunication companies in Egypt. They focus on customer satisfaction, and because there are only four total companies that provide service in Egypt, there's not much competition. Some weaknesses: the prices are pretty high. It is considered to be local to Egypt, so there hasn't been much branching out by this company to international on the international level, and they aren't yet providing 5G plans. Some opportunities: they have the resources for technological advancement, and they're one of the leading companies in research of telecommunications. Some threats: although there's not much competition, the competition there is creates strong rivalry between Orange and the other providers, as well as there's always a shortage of labor in many places, including Egypt, because telecommunication isn't the biggest thing there in Egypt. There's some labor shortage. When are they using 5G? 5G is often used in what's called mission critical situations, which are situations of emergency response during a disaster. This means 5G can be used to dispatch and communicate with emergency services more efficiently, especially in Egypt where earthquakes and sandstorms are common. 5G can be used to possibly find those who are trapped in rubble. And what I mean by that is it will be easier to communicate with emergency response teams where to go when they find people who are trapped or need assistance and resources. So, going off of that, applying 5G to Egypt's SDGs, with Egypt facing issues of water shortage and natural disaster, 5G can improve communication to reduce the impact of these problems. Being able to send messages and communicate more efficiently is crucial, especially in saving lives during natural disaster. When water sources are located or when companies are able to provide water sources, they can use 5G to communicate that with the government so they can provide more help to its people. And then finally, two truths and one lie. 5G can provide near instant access to cloud services. 5G provides high speed and low latency. 5G can be used with any technological device, new or old. So let me know which one you think is a lie, and thank you for watching.